Hello everyone and welcome back to another Airsoft video. Over at Army of Airsoft, some close CQB action, fully automatic on the day as well for those who had below a certain FPS limit. On the day I went with my friends, Dale, Michael, Dan, Ryan, Chris and Tyler. It was an absolute blast. Hope you'll enjoy. The first game of the day is domination. Both teams have to capture 3 points. The team with the most points at the end of the game wins. Me, Michael and Dale decide to take the bridge in the middle of the map, get a great line of sight to try and stop the enemy's advance.
There's one. Look at that smoke, that's doing some wonders there, isn't it? It's like old Stevie Wonder. Jake, watch out.
Did you get him?
We're just suppressing. We need to get a barrel. Oh, we got one more already. Oh, yeah.
I've got eyes on. The whole site is in use for this game, the courtyard being quite isolated at this point in time, but it looks like there are a few enemies trying to get around the back of us, so I checked the other side of the bridge just to make sure. I spot two enemies who also spot me, and they are getting very close.
Down here to the left. Dale! Two of them. Got one. There was another one.
I thought that first guy that run, I actually got past me, but turns out my last BB hit him, I guess. So yeah, he wasn't there anymore.
Dale. Yeah. I've only got 4 mags left, mate. What's going on here?
I've not even gone through one yet.
No, I've got a few left. Hey!
Take a nice shot to the side of the face, back to respawn, and I want to get back on that bridge to try and keep those angles as long as I can.
Get back to bridge. Get back to bridge, we need to. Nice try, buddy. That was close. Chris, he's down the middle, mate. Down here. Oh, devil, down here. They've got eyes on us. Literally just down here. Yeah. That was very close.
Tracer as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I got him. He's dead. He's dead. Another one, eyes on. Oh, that's one dead. Watch behind us. There's 2 in the courtyard trying to flank. You need to go down to the other side of the bridge to hold it properly.
Yep,
After holding the bridge for some time, I quickly decide I want to try and go around in the courtyard, see if I can get around the back of the enemy team.
Blue!
Oh, fuck, sorry.
You're dead, mate.
These tunnels are high risk, high reward situations, but I've been kind of forced to go down here now they've spotted me. As the game's about to end, I'll just go in, see if I can get a few more kills. Getting ready to move on to the next game. But first off, let's see Ryan.
The man, the myth, the legend. Oh, what a babe. That's what he does. Oh, seen it. Dale. Dale. Give me motivation for the camera. I need it. It's on. It's on.
Got you, bro. We can do this.
We got this.
Think of all these times we've held the bridge together. One more time.
Okay, boys. 5,
Tyler, Gary, go.
3, 3.5, 2.
I heard go!
Now this game is a very long game. I think this was about a 45-minute match in total. The job is simple. The team that holds the bridge at the end of the game wins. And this becomes crazy where teams just end up all over the place. Yet again, blue versus yellow. I'm with my squad. Let's go.
So sorry.
No, you're good, man. Yeah. Just pick it up on the edge. Yeah.
Guys, hold this angle.
Dead man walking. I'm gonna go that side. Where are they? Left or right?
Stairs left.
Oh yeah, go on. Yeah.
I've hit your gun, my friend. Yeah, nice. Guys, push up. Go down the bridge. Go. Watch diagonal down the staircase. All right. Blue coming through.
I shot him.
Cuff.
Yeah, that you got. That's a fucking. Yeah, you fucking dickhead.
Come on, be nice.
No worry, you can swear.
You can. That was below.
17. What is actually what?
Reloading.
Have you guys got the bridge still? Stairs.
Dead.
No. I just hit him in the fucking helmet. Is he?
Yeah, I hit him. Nice. Hey! Oh, is that a ricochet?
Where is it from? No. I saw a guy who was aiming at it.
I was unsure if that was a ricochet or not, but I just take the hit anyway.
There's two here. I can't see the hands in the dark. You got a cool hit. First rule of Airsoft, shout hit. No way I didn't hit him. Hit! Dead, I'm dead!
A bit of a confusing situation there. I felt bad for shooting those two in the corner again, but I didn't see them put their hands up and I didn't hear them call hit at all. It is a shame, but those things do happen in Airsoft. You've really got to call your hits in dark spaces. It is nature of the sport and accidents do happen. I decided to come back after respawn, go a different way and regroup with Dale to see if we can take the bridge again.
Oh really?
No, we've got them in the spawn again, basically. They just did a good push.
They're all in tunnel.
They're all in the tunnel?
Yeah, literally. When I went in there, there must have been like 10 guys.
5 minutes! We have the Stargate.
One down.
Oh.
Yeah. Well played, mate. Good shot, dead man.
Hard to see on camera, but he got the drop on me and we just stared at each other awkwardly for about 2 seconds and then he popped me. So well done to that guy.
They're pushing up.
Almost. There's one just directly
They're
opposite.
shooting from that window as well, so watch.
Wait, you!
Is there anyone there I can move?
Go. Tyler, don't blind fire, mate.
Yeah, that's right.
I got 2. You killed yourself as well with that one. I'd say I'm just out the radius.
I've got cover.
It was a good effort though.
Killed myself.
Sacrifices have to be made. Oh, hey! Good shot!
This is where things get a little crazy. Approaching to the end of the game, we all decide to take the bridge. However, teams seem to have got around opposite sides of each other nearly at this point, and it becomes absolute mayhem.
There's someone at the bottom there.
Hang on. We're getting flanked. Getting ricocheted. That was about ricochet. Blues, I need someone on the bridge! Ricochets. Blues!
Cover fire.
I was the last blue alive at this point in time on the bridge, and I unfortunately get taken out from a guy all the way to the side. Once returned to spawn, I grabbed Dale, Dan and Tyler, and we decided to do the flank of a lifetime and try and secure the win for our team.
Right, boys. We could go directly straight and just curl around. Yeah. Alright.
We decided to use the darkness in the tunnels and try and get as far as we can before getting seen.
Oh, he's guarding it. There's one right there guarding it. Guys, keep an eye on this. Right, one of you watch there. Oh, that was close. I'm gonna cross.
That looks so sick then, Tracy.
Did I get ya? Yeah. Oh wow, okay. Boys, move in. Move in, go right. Watch right, there's one there. Dale, move. Ready, go. I've hit you, you dry fired.
Yeah. Are we on blue there? Oh, blue, yeah.
Clear. It landed there and behind hard cover. Sorry, mate.
Two unlucky situations from the enemies there. The first guy dry fired and nothing came out. And these tarps, those parts are known as hard cover on the site. And the grenade landed on the other side. Didn't kill me, but it definitely affected my ears.
Yeah, we got it, boys. Watch the back, watch the back. Nice, watch that corner. Right, time to take the bridge back. Hey, hey.
Thanks for treating me hard as well.
That's alright, mate.
Yeah.
Right, they're still in the middle. Tunnel.
Yeah. Look.
Guys, keep an eye on that corner. Behind hard cover. Sorry. Getting ricochets.
Sorry.
Can't shoot through here. That's alright.
As this site is still getting built up, the rule is with the pallets you can't shoot through them and get shot through them. So essentially you can just look through them.
I can barely see. Behind us! Blue.
There is Marshall standing in the corner.
He's right there, he's right there. Nice. He's down. Blues, move up with that right shield, get right up here. Keep going forwards, tell us where they are. You can't shoot around the right shield though.
Pardon?
You can't shoot around the right shield.
Okay.
Move right up and literally stand there as a bit of cover. Just keep telling us where they are, we've got bridge. Keep pushing.
Careful window. Push.
One flag, good.
Go,
Go,
keep going.
See you.
I'm on the 6 now.
We won this.
Oh, hit. Fucking
Hit! Open. Good stuff. Blues, well done. Let's go.
Fucking hell.
What a push.
Yes, guys.
What a push.
brilliant game. Very nice.
Well done, boys. Good. Nice. We literally flanked all the way around the tunnel, come back around, And took the bridge.
A great game and a great win. Now for like the last game I played on the day, it was simply we had to all be on the bridge and the yellows had to assault it. Ended up being the last alive and this was quite funny.
I'm kicking it.
Right in the head. Oh my god.
That felt lovely, that did.
Oh damn. That was very fucking nice. Got him. Need to reload. Hold on, darling. Ooh, that was close. Got another one. Oh, he flinched, but he didn't call it. Maybe I missed. Oh, sorry, Ryan. Ryan.
Oh, you're alright, buddy.
Ryan, ready? Go, go, go.
Can you still have your skull cameras?
Yeah, I make videos of this site all the time.
Hello, there's a match. Opposite. Yeah, no, I got his one.
Michael, you're just vibing, aren't you? You are just living.
I'm just loving it. I'm watching a prize.
You are living the dream. I'm holding an angle like my life depends on it. Michael, trying to get that barrel?
Watching back. Wait, let me out.
Where's the barrel?
Let me out.
I don't
Let
want.
me out.
Go, go,
Get me
go,
out.
go, 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 go.
There are more exits, you know.
Oh, sorry, mate. Got one again. It's like a farming simulator, Michael, here. That was close. Another one dead.
Hit.
Last man standing. Fresh magazine time. You haven't hit me yet, bro. Is that a hit? Or is that a ricochet? Bounced off of the wood.
From your own bullet.
Mm-hmm. A bit confused at first. Very close. They're coming so close. Good shot! Hit! They eventually take me out, and there was another stage after this, but I was absolutely knackered and it was near the end of the day, so I decided to call it there. However, I've still got a little bit more footage for you. This was the lunchtime, kind of whatever it is that me and my mates do. We just decide to shoot each other and have a laugh, to be honest. I'm going to leave the commentary here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the last little bit of the video, and I'll see you again soon.
Right, the rule one of this is don't do that. Alright, who's going first? Ceasefire.
Alright, everybody.
Alright, I'll go Michael first.
Right.
Tyler, you call when we turn.
Come for you.
You fucker. Alright, ready?
Alright, put the shotgun away.
Fucking.
Right.
Wait, hang on. Alright, go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's so far away. Just do it so you say go randomly.
Okay.
Alright, who's
Yeah,
next?
let me just show Draw Cowboy.
Who's next? Fucking right, put it away, Ryan.
Draw Cowboy.
Come on, Mickey.
This is a handgun, that is a shotgun.
I didn't think you were going to hit me.
Alright,
Jesus Christ, Mike.
I believe.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Fucking hell.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Let me show you. Draw Cowboy.
I'll help you, Michael. Can you feel that?
Is it even reaching him?
Wait, go on.
What's going on? What's going on?
You didn't put BBs in it, did you?
Did.
No, you did.
Yeah.
Oh, is it got gassed? Oh, it might not be
Aw.
gassed.
Didn't feel it.
Tell me.
Empty. Ow.
Oh, you hit me in the shoulder. It's a free for all. Get him now!
I'm empty.
He's still going. Oh, Dale, cut them back to back.
No, I ain't doing it.
Yeah.
I'm a pussy, honestly.
Hey, go on.
God, Chris,
If it works.
have I got any ammo?
Does it work?
No, it's got it in, yeah.
Yeah.
If not, it's not working properly.
Wait, you have to cock it after every shot.
I don't know, just that'll be alright for you one
Nicky,
shot.
you
No, you should just fire.
mentally and
It's
physically,
gas.
are you okay?
No, one shot.
Everyone's been after you, mate.
I know you're out of gas.
I don't have any more mags now.
Ow!
Go on, for the honours, for the honours. Hang on, Dad ain't been shot yet.
Dude, that stinks.
Oh,
Dan's not been shot.
oh God.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Everywhere.
It was like you've been for a hornet's nest.